Hey guys, this is our last day in Saranda, and today we've decided to have a beach day.
Go to Ksamil beach, it's a very nice place.
Our hotel owner, Albania, recommended the best beach here in Saranda, and we were not disappointed. Hopefully this bus should arrive 10 minutes. Buses are unpredictable in Albania and they will only set off when their buses are full, so don't rely on the bus schedule there. You may have to wait a little bit. So after waiting a long 1 hour at the bus stop, we finally jumped on our bus. Next stop is Ksamil beach, which is about 20 minutes from where we were, and then we're going to head towards Butrint National Park. But we decided to go to Butrint first because Butrint's only 5 minutes away. We were told that Butrint is one of the main attractions of Albania and it has a lot to offer, especially the historical national park. So finally arrived at the Butrint National Park. We're heading towards the main entrance. This bus ride cost us 100 legs, that's less than €1. If you jumped on a taxi, they would have charged you about €40. That is a rip-off. I just found out the Butrint Museum is closed for the day, but there's a ferry here and we're just going to cross onto the other side of the lake and see what's happening over there. We have arrived. We're not going in the museum or anywhere because obviously they've closed now. They just decided that they decided to close this because of some musical event. I'll show you how blue this lake is. I'm really thirsty. There's a cafe in the middle of nowhere and this guy's the owner. Let's go and check it out. Hello my friend.
Hello.
Can you give me a coca?
200.
200, okay.
Yeah.
Give me one coca please. It's cold, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, very cold. Thank you very much. What's your name?
My name is Robert.
Your name is Robert. Thank you, Robert. Thank you. Cheers. Just grabbed myself a can of Coke from Robert's place, and Robert is the owner. This Coke is 200 legs. That's just less than €2. It's expensive here because this is the only cafe shop here in the middle of nowhere. You do need to be hydrated every now and then. We're going to go for a long walk now. So thank you, Robert. See you later.
Bye.
To be honest guys, there's nothing to do around here. I can't be bothered going to those villages over there. We're going to head back to Ksamil beach. It's a lovely beach just before Butrint. Ksamil beach is only another 5-minute drive from Butrint and it's definitely the most popular tourist destination along the Albanian riviera. With its white sandy beaches and crystal clear water, it's truly a paradise. It's actually lovely around here. Full of tourists though, very busy. And it's not very bright today, but it's ideal because we don't want to burn in the sun, to be honest. So the fun begins here. We're going to go kayaking now. This is our kayak. And it's a double seater one. No. So there's about 3-4 islands here, and we're just going to go around the island and come back, take a quick swim and relax on the beach all day.
Oh right, yeah.
The big island you see over there, the large one at the back, is actually Corfu, and Corfu is not far away from here. It's about 30 minutes boat ride from here. So Corfu on that side and Albania on this side. Just behind me, that's Albania.